Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making Mama Bui's juiciest burger ever. This is my signature burger, guys. I hope you like it. So guys, let's get right into it. First things first, we're gonna start by caramelizing the onions as they take long to cook. So if you wanna know how to make caramelized onions, I have a video. I'll leave the link somewhere up here. Go check it out. Next, while the onions are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and make sweet tomato and onion relish. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of oil, add Southwest blend, which is tomatoes, green peppers, and red peppers. Saute for 5 minutes, then add tomatoes. Continue to cook the tomatoes for another 5 minutes until they release its juices. Now add brown sugar. We're gonna also add red pepper flakes, cloves. We are also adding in lemon juice. Give it a good stir and continue to cook for another 3 minutes. Next, add salt, balsamic vinegar, and apple cider vinegar. Reduce the heat and let it simmer until the juices reduce to nothing. While our relish is cooking and onions, we're gonna go ahead and toast our buns. Remove the buns and set aside. Next, heat the griddle and place the beef patties 2 inches apart. Cook them for 2 minutes, then smash them down, just like so, guys. Season the patties with salt and black pepper. Continue to cook for 3 to 5 minutes depending on the thickness of a beef patty. Flip the burgers and continue to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, top the burgers with the cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice, guys. Once the cheese is melted, now it's time to assemble our burgers. First, place the tomato and onion relish on a bun. Guys, this I have found is awesome as a stand-in for ketchup. Followed by lettuce leaf. Then we're gonna double stack our burgers just like so and place on top of the lettuce. Guys, these burgers, they are so good and juicy. Then we're gonna top with our caramelized onions just like so. Next, spread mayo on your bun and top the burger. There you have it, guys. Mama Bui's ultimate burger. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.